Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about electric dipoles. So electric dipoles are basically two charges that have the opposite sign but equal strength, and so that'll look like that, and they're separated by a fixed distance d. So they come as a set, basically positive and negative charge coming as a set. And then when they're placed in an external electric field, the dipole is going to rotate itself and experience a net torque. So suppose that we had an electric field that looked like that. The dipole is then going to rotate itself so that it aligns itself with the field lines. And what I mean by this is that field lines basically show you how the positive charge would move. And so the dipole will point in the direction of the field lines to see how the positive end of the dipole is pointing in the